Okay, we're going to take a look at the Philips Multi-Groom Series 5000 hair trimmer. So let's have a look, see what you get in the box. This is going to be an unboxing rather than showing you how to use them. So we'll just see what we get. Right, a ton of different hair trimming attachments, or combs. So let's have a look, see what else. Little shaver attachment. There's some kind of lock-in mechanism. I don't know. Ah, you must just push to remove that. Power adapter. It's a shame it's not maybe a USB adapter, but it is what it is. Yeah, especially since it outputs 4.3 volts. You would have thought they would have made that USB. That would have been quite handy. Okay. Another comb, a little brush. See, it does give you a guide to hair thickness on that. Another one. So this is a variable one. So I guess so you select it here. You can see that raising and lowering. That's quite neat. So you get 7 different combs. Looking at the box here, precision shaver, a metal trimmer as well somewhere. Nose trimmer as well. Not sure I fancy sticking that out of my nose. And finally, main unit. This is quite light. So look, rubberized out exterior here. Charging port down at the bottom. And clippers on top. It's probably about 1 inch, maybe a little bit more wide. Quite quiet. Looks pretty good. Says it will last 80 minutes of runtime on wireless on that charge, so that should be good. Totally waterproof and a 2-year warranty. So yeah, you get 11 tools out of the box. Looks pretty solid without being too heavy. So I'll see how that goes, especially trimming my son's hair, and I'll report back in the description. Thanks for watching.